What is up, friends? Today I'm going to show you how I make my morning cup of coffee. Of course you can do this with any type of coffee, but today I'm going to be using this new Peruvian coffee I just bought. We'll be using a repurposed spice grinder today to grind our coffee because I am on a budget, but it will work all the same. We're going to add about 4 tablespoons of coffee to the grinder, as you need 2 tablespoons for 6 ounces of coffee, and that is just a little too low for how tired I am. You're going to want to blend that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now we are going to heat our water to about 200 degrees for ideal extraction of flavor. However, do not try to go over too far because you don't want to burn it. Now we're going to wet our paper filter to get rid of that weird papery taste. As you can see, mine's a little big, but that's not going to affect it at all, don't worry. After adding our coffee, we're going to do something called a bloom. You're just going to want to add enough water to let all the grounds and let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. We do this to allow the CO2 to escape from the coffee, ensuring that the water can fully absorb all the flavors in the beans. It helps give a richer, more flavorful cup of coffee. After the bloom, you can refill your filter all the way until you measure about 355 mils, give or take. After that, you can serve and enjoy. You can obviously spice this up with syrup, sugar, or creamer, but I am a coffee purist, so I will take it black. And now that I have my steaming cup of coffee, I can sit down, read a book that was gifted to me, and relax for the morning. Have a good rest of your morning, everybody.